Alright, so here I am with the new gas tank. It's the vapor tank with the plastic can instead of a glass one, just in case it, blows up. There goes the tube down there into the carburetor, and yeah, start it up. And it died on me, but it works. Just one more thing I wanted to add was safety. And it's not much, and it's pretty redneck, but I've built a little heat shield out of it's still hot, out of a pie pan, and you can see that here's the exhaust pipe, and there's a small gap between that and the pie pan, and then a pretty big gap between that and the fuel tank. So this fuel tank won't get hot at all, and there's a nice gap between that and the whole block also.